So the other day I made a video on this, but I didn't really talk much about it. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we're going to go for a ride, so stay tuned. Okay, what we got here is a GY6 150cc scooter that got given to me. When I first got it, I don't know if I can show y'all good with this head thing on, but the valve cover is off, and the hopefully it don't do that again. It just shut off. So anyway, as I was saying, when I was given this, the cam shaft was missing, so I put a new cam shaft in there. Carburetor, new key switch, and that's about it. Put it all back together, so now it runs. I did have to fix a piece of wiring on this, on the push button start, but other than that, everything works good. So let's go take it for a test drive. We're gonna open it wide up right here. Jump for the horse. Thing said it hit about 40 right there. I don't know. We'll look at the GoPro footage. Let me kill the engine right here so I can tell y'all. Y'all probably gonna ask this question down in the comments. Yes, I fixed the exhaust leak. It was just a nut missing off the exhaust. I put a new nut on there, and it's good. So that being said, I don't know if this has actually worked, because I barely go. This thing hits like 20, and I just don't feel like it's right. We'll look at the GoPro footage when I edit it and see what it says. But till then, let's get back to riding. Horse is always standing right in the way. That was unexpected. I knew they was there. I don't know why I didn't watch out. Look at those potholes. So guys, I want to end the video. Well, I'm not going to end the video right here, but I'm going to, at the end of this, I'm tacking on the footage from the other day. I took that video down. I wanted to talk more about this, so I'll tack the footage on at the end of this. Unfortunately, I can never put it on the road again. It just has some other issues that I can't put it on the road, but it is fun to ride around here on. It'll haul butt on this out here. Just gotta watch out for these big old potholes. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Oh, and we got a few projects coming up. More videos on the Alice Chalmers garden tractor that should be coming out in the next couple days too. Possibly a bobber motorcycle build. Anyway guys, see y'all in the next one. Alright, we'll see it. I know, look, they're big. Yeah, they're huge. You can almost stand down in it. Go! What? Race? Okay, ready? Go! Oh, why did you put me to the bumpiest spot? Wants me to follow him, so we're gonna follow him. Oh no, you're running over my grade blade. Oh, that was almost bad. on this. I need to check that. Smoking. Definitely have an exhaust leak. The boat came off. What? What? Race? Okay. Let me look you lined up. On your mark. See it set. Go! Whoa. I think he's stuck. Oh, I'm stuck in a hole. Do a speed test. While we're at it. Ooh, a little squirrely. Alright guys, my dinner's here. Thanks everybody for watching. Hit that like.